Hey, what's going on? I figured I'd show you my spoon jig for laser engraving spoons. Like that. I just took two 3/4 inch pieces of scrap plywood, countersunk a magnet halfway with a Forstner bit, screwed that on, made a little notch here for the handle. Doesn't matter if it's perfect. And set that down. Take a new spoon, cover this magnet with a piece of tape so it doesn't scratch the spoon. Since it's magnetic, it snaps, moves a little bit so that you can level it front to back by pushing and pulling like that. Check level side to side. It's level, front to back, side to side. Take your focal stick, make sure it's in focus, and it's ready to go.